We can create very professional emails in E-goi using a very simple tool, which is the amazing email builder. In the last class, we could see the workflow to create a new campaign, and I'm going to do it quickly just to reach the point where we select the email builder. So let's create a new email campaign. Which is a broadcast email from scratch and blank. And I'm going to paste my campaign name. And this is the part where I select the email builder. Next. Then I define my options according to where I'm looking for my email. And here we have our email builder. What do we have here? We have our body email here in the center. Then we have some widgets in the left side that we only have to drag and drop in the center. And in this right side, we will find all the options for each widget and the styles for each one as well. What kind of widgets do we have here? We have simple widgets, then we'll find advanced ones. We have a section for e-commerce, and then we will find templates. We have E-goi templates that we can use, and we just have to select it, drag and drop. Okay, I don't want this one for this moment, but you can see it. And we can save our own widgets and use them whenever we want. For this email, I want to select a title. I want an image. I need some columns. Perfect. I want text, but I want it just here. Perfect. And I want a countdown. Okay, perfect. Okay, for the title, I have a text here, ready to copy and paste. I can edit the style. Okay. I'm going to change the font. Okay. Okay, actually I want another one. And I want it bigger. Perfect. Actually, I want to have this message a little more personalized. I'm going to add the name of my contacts, and for that I'm going to use the merge tags. And now I'm going to find the code for name. If I know my code, I only have to type it. If I don't know it, I just have to find it, copy, and paste it here. Ready. Then I can start typing a new text here. For example, I can center it. Okay. I'm going to choose the same font. Okay, then I'm going to find an image. Can be this one here. Okay, I had some images in my gallery, in my files, but if I need to add a new one, I just have to find it in my computer. And then I will have all my files just in my account. Perfect. Don't forget to add an alt test. Okay. This is very important because if your image doesn't load, this is what your contacts would see. Okay, this block has a lot of space and I'm going to select the smaller one. Okay. For the columns, I don't need images, so I'm going to, okay, perfect. Okay, I can personalize everything that I have here with the buttons or not. I can hide the titles, and for this case will be okay. And for the countdown, I just need to select when it will end. Okay, I can choose a time and a time zone. Perfect. And actually, I don't want this footer. I'm going to select a template that I have just here. Perfect. How can I save a template? It's very simple. You just need to mouse over this button here, then select Save, type a name, and confirm. And here we have it. And what other options do we have here? If we mouse over this button, we have the possibility to duplicate, delete, move, and save this widget as template. In this left side, we can add conditional content. What does it mean? We have just selected a list to send out this campaign. But I want to send a different title for a specific segment. I'm going to click My Widget, and then I'm going to add a variation. This variation, as you can see, is totally different, okay, because it's starting from the beginning of the widget. And I'm going to put a name for this variation and select this segment for this variation. Then I'm going to personalize this text according to the content that I need. Perfect. So that all the contacts of my list will receive this content here, except this segment that will see this content here. I can hide the content as well if I want to, okay? And this part will be without information or just show whatever I want. You can do this for the content of your email, the subject, and the snippet. So you have a lot of possibilities to send very personalized communications. Don't forget that you can save this email as template, just clicking here. And remember to have a look on the extra resources for this class.